Hey YouTube, got another auto choke problem. This is on a Toro with a Kohler engine. Complaint was that it was hard to start. I noticed that I went to start it. Right now it's warm, so this this choke plate is open because I tested it out. What I found was that back in here, when I looked at this control rod for that, it was actually hitting this plastic right back here. This rod was hitting. So what I did was I took it off and I trimmed off a little piece here so that the rod wouldn't hit. It was hitting right in here. But then I noticed that the lever wasn't operating properly. Now that the lever was in here, it was hitting. So I took this off again. I looked at this. I thought it must be this mechanism. This is what heats up and moves that choke. Turns out there's two bolts here that hold it on. Two 10 millimeters, one here, one here. I took it off and it seemed to be working, but it was pushing in the wrong direction. So what actually I determined was it was on, we'll say it was on this way, the two bolts, when actually it should be on this way. So I reversed it. When I did that, I didn't have the interference problem. And when it heated up, which I tested it out now, it heated up. Ended up opening up the choke. So basically the problem here is this was assembled wrong. I don't know if this is a common problem with this or just happened to be that way, but that's what it is. So this engine is a Kohler, made in China. I guess that's what you get for made in China. But if you do encounter a similar problem with this, and it was made on the same date by the same guy, you might have the same issue. All right, thanks.